Hello viewers, I hope you are fine and staying at home. So today I'll bring a very interesting video where you will get a free domain name. Yes, you are right, free domain name for 1 year. Yes, free domain name for a 1 year. So please watch full video, don't skip the video. And if you are new to my channel right now, go to and subscribe to my channel. I'm uploading very useful video. So let's get started. For search for a free gnome, go to the Google and search for a free gnome, and at the first link click on it and open. This is the interface of the free gnome. You can check it. If you want to check the domain name, you can check the domain name also here, but let you I have already signed in. You just go and sign in. Now I am just logging in. After logging in, you can see this is the interface. After you login in, you can see the upper corner there is a service. You can see all the setting here, and we will click on register the domain. Yes, we can click the register the domain name. Now it will open, and let's find one domain name. Okay, Amazon. Let's search for Amazon. I will like clicking anything. You can get your domain name. What is your domain name if you want to name? Like I'm affiliate program. If you want to become an affiliate of Amazon, you can comment me. I will tell you how to become an affiliate program and how you can run the affiliate program of the Amazon also, and earn from Amazon affiliate program also. So comment me if you want this video also. I will upload the video also. Here you can check it will you will get only this 5 domain free .tk mlga, and this only 5 domain you will get free, not .com and .in. If you want that, you have to purchase it. So if you are beginner, so please start from this only. So let's select on tk. Now check out. Here you can see, and in this default by selected 3 month, you have to select the 12 month. Like I said, it is free for 1 year. You have to select the 12 month, and after 12 months it will charge you. If you want to buy this domain, you can buy it, otherwise you can like disconnect from this website. So here you can see it costs $0. Agree, agreement, term and condition, complete order. Here you get order confirmation, it has been successfully completed. If you want to see the setting of the domain name, you can go there. My network is slow. You can see there is I've already buy lots of domain from here. So you can see, click on it and it will give you the panel of your domain name. Go to manage domain. Here you can see, if you want to change the name server also, you can change the name server also from here if you want it. So as you can see, you will get all the settings here. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and please go and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye.